The SCDSB would like to highlight the following initiatives that have been taking place in our schools and which link directly to our SCDSB's strategic priorities. Let's celebrate the positive initiatives, events, and opportunities occurring across the SCDSB. In the area of community, we celebrate the 100th episode of the SCDSB News. Since 2019, we've traveled across Simcoe County, interviewing students and staff and highlighting the amazing accomplishments of our school communities. School councils help to provide the community voice and parent-guardian perspective on important school topics.
We're here to celebrate the 100th episode of the SCDSB News with you. Since 2019, we've traveled across Simcoe County interviewing students and staff and highlighting the amazing accomplishments of our school communities. Let's take a trip down memory lane.
My Shazam program has helped me learn more about animal science.
Creating change at board-wide level and provincial levels is it's so inspiring.
These students have an opportunity to go down to Toronto. They compete among other students across the province.
Helps me develop a mindset of wonderfulness and energy.
Movement Parade!
We want to do something more this year, in consideration of progressing equality and equity.
Sports are back!
My name is Amy Grenier. I'm the Indigenous grad coach for Georgian Bay District Secondary School.
Welcome to Father's Day!
This institution known as high school is just another class in the school of life. So I'll see you all next period.
We're here this morning at Nottawasaga Pines to unveil our Heart Garden.
In the area of community, we recognize the importance of the school council at SCDSB schools. School councils help to provide the community voice and parent-guardian perspective on important school topics.
Hi, I'm Misty Heikala. I am the school council chair here at Georgian Bay District Secondary School. I've been a part of school council now for over 20 years. This is the first year that I've ever been chair. I absolutely love doing this. I work with Haley, our principal, in the school to help improve the school community for our students, creating events that are open to all members of the communities. These are our parent engagement nights. I enjoy building stronger relationships with the staff and students at the school. As school council chair, I hope that we can help to improve the students' experience at our school. I hope to be a voice for all of community members.
As the chair for Chris Hadfield Public School, my passion goes beyond my expectation at times. I'm about community building, I'm about our students, I'm about parents, and for students to thrive in any atmosphere. During the month of May, we'll be having our guest speaker, Anushka Fernandez, on the topic resilience and how to cope.
In the area of excellence in teaching and learning, we showcase the manufacturing technology course at Orillia Secondary School. This program gives the students the opportunity to learn about a wide range of careers in the manufacturing industry.
Students take tech for a variety of reasons. They get an opportunity to play on some really sophisticated equipment. We've got a CNC lathe, a CNC mill, a CNC plasma cutter. They also have the ability to do stuff with hand tools and just regular work, filing, grinding, basic welding, TIG welding.
I take tech because I'm going to go into engineering next year, so I get to see like the basis of it, and I get to actually see it and work with my hands and stuff. I also live on a farm, so I've got to practice a lot of stuff. Like I got to get better at welding, and then so I can do that at the farm, so that's been really cool.
I take tech because I really enjoy to work with my hands, and I enjoy metalworking. It's something I kind of want to do in the future as a career. A few things I've made are a few rings, and I made a screwdriver once.
I take tech because it's an interesting class. I come from a family of plumbers. I've always wanted to work in the trades, and I'm learning a lot of good stuff in here. This is a chess piece I'm making for my mom.
We are making picture frame holders for the indigenous pictures that we hang up around the school. This trade is really accepted everywhere in the world, and like it's always needed, so I'm hoping that that can help me later in life if I need it. This is a bender. We just have to bend them at certain like distances and thicknesses to be able to hold the right pictures, so we have to bend a couple that are a little bit bigger, kind of like this one here, and then this one's a little bit smaller for a different size picture frame.
Took tech because I find it interesting, and my dad's also in the trades. So he is actually a machinist and works on CNC lathes and has a CNC mill as well, so I really found it interesting.
I take tech because I really enjoy welding and using the lathes. And this is my solar panel project that I've been making for a person that came to us. That he lives off the grid on an RV. So he's making this so he can be sustainable. And I've designed and cut these little brackets here on the CNC plasma cutter, and as well as the rotating brackets back here so it can rotate and face the sun wherever the sun's pointing.
I kind of think of it like a buffet where they get to go and sample everything, and then later in life they get to decide what they want to take a full plate of.
For the latest videos and positive news, visit the Celebrates page on the SCDSB website.